All right, recording on a Sunday morning. गले में खराश. So where are we going on this Sunday morning? एक मिनट गेट खोलने दे.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
You guys got a good view of the bike finally. Well, I guess I got a good view of the bike finally. So, where are we going? We're going to a land far, far away called Mira Road. It's not far away, basically. Okay. Am I forgetting something? There's fuel. Bike looks clean. Oh yeah, I've got to pick up the address. चल ठीक है. We're off to मीरा रोड. और क्या चल रहा है मीरा रोड में? So we're going to see this bike that is built by Maratha Motors. That is Shrikant. So he's the same guy who built my bike as well. Now you could say, what's so fascinating about this bike that you woke up early in the morning on a Sunday just to see a bike? Let me show you. He's built quite a few vehicles, okay, one better than the other, but this one really impressed me because it's first of a kind in Mumbai, India, I would say, because I guess India also. So yeah, so that's the reason why I took the trouble of going to Auntie Mira Road. Okay, I should be decorating my house for Christmas, but फक्त तुमच्यासाठी मीरा रोडला चाललोय. फक्त तुमच्यासाठी. No, but I have my selfish thing to see the bike as well, so it's okay. खुदाई चल रही है और चल रही है. For those who get what I trying to say. So it's been a long time I made a vlog. You know, there's so much happening around me in terms to every day, you know. By that I mean health wise and wealth wise and so you know, you get occupied. So I had the time, but I couldn't really pay attention. So New Year's resolution, well, nahi yaar. I wonder how many people keep New Year's resolution. कौन रखता है? मैं आज से जिम जाऊंगा, New Year से जिम जाऊंगा. But what the fuck? 2 days down the line, dude, you paid a year's fee of working out, and then एक महीना भी नहीं जाते कभी. So I personally just do it quarterly. Anyway, so what I'm saying is, New Year's resolution, I will try to be consistent. Well, so okay, this is the first time I'm vlogging. Okay, and so when I mean vlogging is doing something like this, recording my experiences. So I am not trying to win any popularity contest over here. So you'll get it raw and unedited. Parental guidance is advice. Not only parental guidance for parents is advice. Not suitable for parents above the age of whatever, fill in the blanks. So If any of your elder folks watching this and they say, "Ah, काय घाणेरडा वार्ता करतो, व्लॉग आहे की काय आहे, लाज शर्म काय आहे की नाही त्याला?" Dude, it is not meant for you. It is meant for your kids because they vibe with the tribe. So yeah, dude, Sunday morning को क्यों पब्लिक गर्दी ना, क्या बोलेगा ranch. Going to a far, far away land. Chill. Yeah, this sometimes could get dicey, you know, because you see the signal green for a long time and orange, और ऑरेंज के पहले ही पांडु सामने, सॉरी रेड के पहले ही पांडु सामने. So anyways, cops, they're doing their job, they're doing a good job, like here. Sunday morning, dude. Okay, again I'd say being a cop is a thankless job. You gotta do what you gotta do. Sunday ho ya Monday, Indigo off the runway. Wow. Fuck, I'm rhyming today. Rhyming. Sunday ho ya Monday, Indigo Airlines off the runway. Anyway, seems to be a good day. क्या खोद रहा है, खोद ही रहा है, खत्म नहीं होगा लगता है. Okay, so now I've not had breakfast. I'm not a breakfast person, but you require some nutrition to go in the stomach. So because of my health of lately, so when I say health, it's dude, it's freaking pollution, man. Seriously, तुम लोग को भी बहुत तकलीफ होते रहेगा. I understand. Everybody's coughing and everybody's, you know, it gets irritating. Cough, cold. So take care, folks. Take care. Take care. इधर क्या ट्रैफिक जैम है यार आज के दिन पे. Anyways, yeah, so we were talking about the bike. Eh bhai sahab, beach में लगा के रखा है यार गाड़ी, dude. Seriously, standing and posing. So yeah, at least parking lights तो लगाना होगा. So yeah, what's special about the bike? So this is one of a kind bike in India or Mumbai, and he's done my bike and he's done some impressive stuff, but this one stands out from all the builders that I've seen so far, so I wouldn't take the trouble. And मेरे को ये bike, I guess it was Motovers that just happened in Goa, and he was posting and he got a second prize. Okay guys, he got a second prize. I'll tell you how, why I think he could have won the first, but I believe when you build something from scratch, you need to have a level of artistry in it. Okay, you just cannot put things together and present it. Like they say, you know, presentation perfect hona chahiye. So the bike is beautiful in its own rights, okay. But if it was me, I believe I would have put in more, a little more emphasis on the beauty of the vehicle. That I would have done. Bumps, bumps, bumps. Wow, dude. I'm freaking zigzagging these bumps. एक potholes और अभी ये bumps कर दिया ये लोग ने. डोका वापरत नाही. Oh, they use their brains to make money. तुम लोग के पास नहीं है. हम लोग बस गाली देते बैठते और इन लोग छापते रहते. Anyways, so yeah, that it is going to be, it's a pleasant morning क्योंकि अभी थोड़ा इतना गर्मी नहीं है. गर्मी तो होने वाला है. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकते बॉम्बे में गर्मी नहीं है. I wonder if he still send me the location or what. I'm talking about nutrition earlier. कुछ खाने का मन करे. अबे बैंगन के ये क्या है यार. अभी इधर क्या हो गया. संडे मॉर्निंग को कटिंग करना पड़ता है यार. माता भाई साहब. व्हाट हैपेंड. क्या हुआ. काही झालं. बाल रडत होतं. ग्राईप वॉटर द्या त्याला. I don't know, me remember this ad. Gripe water ad. Gripe water is banned now in India. It's stopped. बंदिज किया ग्राइप वाटर. बंदिज किया. बंद. Dude, I wouldn't risk going. चिप का एंगल ही बंद कर दिया है. ओ काय झालं. अर्ली मॉर्निंग गाड़ी बंद गिर गया लगते है. और वो भी बहुत बड़ा. One final season. Dude, I've not watched a single season of this. I wonder how it is. I guess the benchmark would be GOT for me. So if it's good or close to that, then probably I would think of watching. गाड़ी भगा भी नहीं सकते. रास्ता इतना सही है ना. So yeah, soon I'll be traveling to Goa with 3 amazing ladies. Okay, gorgeous. So yeah, we're traveling to Goa for Christmas, New Year, which is a yearly thing, and give you some insights rather than exaggerated opinions. So I will not be showing you all any hidden beaches. I will not be showing you all, oh my god, amazing food, best. No, जो है वो है. Because you see, Goa is much more than hotel rooms and swimming pools. It is much more. The party scenes are great. Nightlife is cool. So that's what we'll be doing. Father, mother, kiddo. Dude, I'm riding like a freaking clown. जो पीछे से चलाते रहेगा बोलते चूतिया चला रहा है. But they don't understand, or do they, that I'm trying to dodge the damn potholes and the patches. Such a screwed up road. ना भंगार रास्ता है ना हाईवे रेखे भी. मुझे हम लोग एक ही काम ढंग से कर सकते हैं, वो है हम लोग को लूटने का. I guess I'm riding too easy. What to ride easy? Dude, I'm not a... I'm not a fast rider. No Valentino Rossi, no Marc Marquez. ये देख आइटम रास्ते का बीच में ही. So if you drive a car, please be a bit considerate towards the two-wheelers, okay dude, because I drive a car. It's not because as a two-wheeler rider I ride rash, but you see the roads are so screwed up. यार कट मारना पड़ते है, अचानक से लेन चेंज करना पड़ता है. क्योंकि ये भंगार लोग ने रास्ता एकदम ऐसा बूच मार के रख दिया है ना. Don't even feel like damn vlogging while riding with such bad roads. मन ही नहीं करता. Concentrate on your vlogs or you concentrate on the damn roads. Suddenly there's a dip and there's a cut and there's... Previously people used to crib, you know, कितने खड्डे रास्ते में, कितना खड्डा रास्ते में. अरे मैं जो अभी तो पहाड़ बना दिया रास्ते पे. खड्डा कम पहाड़ जाता है. 5 पैसे का अक्कल, you know, like you say, you require a little bit of something that is there in your head on top. That peanut size thing could be utilized sometime, not only for making money and looting गरीब लोगों को, but justifying your freaking job. What is this? क्या लेके जा रहा है वो भी खुलने में? I have to figure out what this is. Looks like soya, but it's too dark. It looks like dates, dried dates. But why are you taking it in the open, my friend? Exposing it to sunlight, pata nahi. So if somebody is following this vlog consistently and with all attention, the number of bumps I've gone through will tell you the state of the road. Dude, am I cribbing too much in this vlog? अरे इन्होंने हालत ही करके रखी है इसी में. क्या बोलेगा अभी? Fuck man, and motherfuckers, and you know we are the, और हम लोग ने वैसे इन लोग को छूट दिया है ये सब करने के लिए. What the fuck is going on? अरे बाप रे बाप, किधर पहुंच गया यार. You're driving in a 4-wheeler, you don't realize it, you know, but as soon as you're exposed to the element, you're shitting bricks. So when you're sitting in a 4-wheeler, you're in a nice cocoon and bubble. But the minute you sit on the 2-wheeler, सब फट के पर्दा होते हैं. And I bet you there's not a single rider who will say, नहीं मेरी फटती नहीं है Indian roads पे. Indian roads is not for beginners, it's not for nobody, it's only a fucking scam, dude. कौन है यार फायरिंग इतना खतरनाक? I guess it's this guy. Whatever this. हाँ, ऑल्टो वाला है. इतना खतरनाक फायरिंग है ना वो. There is a saying in Marathi, अंगापेक्षा भोंगा मोठा. वैसा है ये. I don't know, he's done something to his exhaust that is giving this race car sound. मेरे को लगा पहला वो बुलेट वाले ने ये किया है. क्या तो ये भाई साहब का है. अंगापेक्षा भोंगा मोठा. Living liquids, most important outlet any place. ये living liquids नहीं रहेगा तो बहुत लोगों का life is in danger. केव्हा आता घेतली नाही, मॉडिफाय करून घेतली आहे पुरी. हो मग हाँ इंस्टा पे आएगा. पहला पार्क करने दे मेरे को. इधर खड्डा वड्डा बहुत है. So yeah, everybody likes to check out the vehicle. It's elongated. Beja, let me surprise you. This is what the bike is all about. It is one hell of a gorgeous machine. You see from the custom paintwork, it's a nice silver to the wrapped handle grip. And let's get down. Check it out. Just simply check it out. Carbon fiber covers as far as possible. And Hublosta is one of its kind. It's only for Royal Enfield. Okay, let me take you to the front. This is what it is, and here again we go, hubless to the core. This is what I'm talking about. The rim, yeah, as you can see, it's gorgeous. So let's see if we can find Jayesh to fire it up for us. Okay, this is the look. From the rear. Gorgeous. Let's hear the firing. It's that loud that the mic covers blew off. The lightings are beautiful. The lights are beautiful. सिर्फ आप lights के लिए चालू कर दोगे. Check it out. It's just gorgeous. You have completely trimmed up over here. One of a kind. Really beautiful. Let's take a good view. Beautiful engine, and yeah, check out the headlights as well. Impressed. Not my cup of tea, but really neat. We'll see you soon. Alright, so we are still recording. Alright, I didn't want to switch off the camera cause वो फिर बाद में चालू होने के लिए तकलीफ होता है. So that was a beautiful bike, and nice to see something different, innovative. Though it's not street legal, okay, it can never be street legal for so many reasons, but it shows the potential of the builder. It really shows the potential of the builder. So we ain't going anywhere now. We'll just go home because there's stuff to take care. And when I mean stuff, I mean घर को डेकोरेट करना है क्रिसमस के लिए, जितना हो सके उतना. ये मोहब्बत. So yeah, go straight home and start decorating the house. Hope you guys enjoyed the little ride that we came on a Sunday morning. What the fuck is going on here, Mr. Osho? Yeah, so अरे इधर से ही कटे, ऐसा कैसा है? I never knew. This is all right. So here we go. Hope you guys have a nice weekend. Have fun, do your thing, and hope you enjoyed the bike. I mean, no, you got to come down to Palladium Motors in Mira Road and see the bike for yourself and hear the bike for yourself. No video or pictures can justify the build quality, etc., etc. So you do that. Have a nice weekend. Ciao. And I'll deal with this traffic.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.